Sparky Sparks here. Oh my gosh, I got the best hat and I wanted to share this with you. So for those who want to know, this is Spotlight Elite and it's that nice hand-tied cap. I'm not going to take her off, she's on pretty good. So, and this is in the color Pale Golden Honey. Really love. So I'm in Santa Barbara today and this is the fit. Little off-white, winter white pants, a white shirt and this nice Tom Ford navy blue sweater. So I love it for being up here in Santa Barbara. It's a little bit chilly, but not too bad. Had a beautiful lunch up in the hills, and to keep the sun off my face as we went for a walk, this is kind of a date weekend that I'm on, and I found this great hat. And the hat is by Furtalk, F-U-R-T-A-L-K, and it has these holders, which, you know, back in the day I thought, oh, who wants to do that? Well, let me tell you, when you wear a wig and a hat, you might not feel the hat fly off. So that happened to me when I was in Spain. I kept losing my hat because I didn't have a chin strap. So the hat would fly off and all these people would rush to bring me my hat, and which I didn't even notice was gone. And I'm sure they thought, what's up with this girl? She keeps losing her hat. Anyway, so this hat is by Furtalk. Let me show you. It's got an adjuster inside and it just goes underneath the brim, so you can make it tighter if you'd like. And then what I love about this is I can put it on like this. Make sure it's in the right place. That's how I usually do it. I put my hair back this way, so we have a nice little thing like that, and then I put the hat on my forehead and then pull it down. And then this, if it's windy, you can just adjust this really easily underneath your chin and pull out your hair like this. So it doesn't really show, to be honest with you, and no one's really looking at that, but really looks on point and great, and it keeps the sun out of your eyes. This happens to be black, but I think it's close enough to navy blue that it works for me. So I encourage you to wear hats with your wigs. They look spectacular and on point. So I'm feeling really good about this outfit today. I was up at a fancy restaurant called El Encanto for lunch today. Just beautiful. You could see the ocean, overlook the valley of Santa Barbara. Just gorgeous. Had a wonderful like steak and pommes frites, french fries basically. So lovely day, lovely time. So, and the other part that I love about wearing hats with wigs is that when you take them off, whoops, and get tangled, you don't have hat hair. You know, your hair can just go right back to being normal. So kind of a nice look, kind of a nice vibe. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Talk soon.